Hello friends, I am EM. In this video I am going to show you how to check ration card eKYC. Okay, now see on screen, this is our ration card portal. Now I am going to show you how to check. Now just type here in Google Karnataka Ahara portal. Now type out the Department of Food, Civil Supplier and Consumer. Okay, after type this, wait for open this page. Okay, now you see page is now open. Now tap on three lines. Okay, now type on here e-services. Now tap on amendment. Okay, now tap on Kalburgi region. Now select here option status. Okay, second option. Tap on this. After this, wait for open. Okay, now just open this. Please wait. Now tap on option without OTP. Okay, now type here your ration card number. Okay, after type ration card number, tap on go. Now check here status. Now you see member count 5, eKYC done 5, eKYC remaining is 0. This simple step how to check eKYC ration card eKYC. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.